Oh no, you've got fingerprints all over you. Stay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited. Okay, so I just want to say yesterday was the coolest day ever. So not only did I reach 1,000 subscribers, hence my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but Morphe reposted one of my Jeffree Star swatch pictures on Instagram. They started following me, and then Jeffree Star liked the picture. I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers, all of you guys who have been with me for this journey so far, and this was like such a fun milestone to reach. I'm still like somewhere else, like I'm still like in the clouds somewhere right now. But let's move on to what you guys came here for. Okay, first, before I announce the winners to my Blue Blood winners, I am gonna show you guys a new giveaway for 1,000 subscribers because, seriously. Okay, so these two palettes right here are for two lucky winners, but I have one more palette. One more for one lucky winner, along with a ton of other goodies for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Funny story, me and my husband were both trying to get palettes just in case one of us didn't end up getting a palette, and because we didn't want to lose our spot in the virtual line, we both ended up buying two palettes. So I had 4 palettes total, and I was like, ugh. I love you guys, so I'm just doing giveaways. And now this is my last one to give away, and it's upside down. And I am so excited. So let's go over the rest of the goodies that you guys can win in this giveaway. And this is for one lucky winner, and I'm going to end this Sunday, May 5th. So you guys have a good chunk of time to get your entries in. So along with the Blue Blood palette, I am giving you guys a Wet n Wild brush collection, and these are so incredibly soft, you guys. I have one here. It's a little dirty, but you guys can see the handle. It's a beautiful pink that goes down to a silver. It looks like it has some kind of dragony scales on it, and it is very white and soft. And oh my gosh, they get filthy so fast, but it's so worth it. Like, these are some of my absolute favorite brushes in my entire collection. Y'all have a lot of brushes, like it said. Let's not even go there. We're not going there. This may seem a little strange, but y'all, razors are expensive. And I was in a razor club for a while, and I got these all the time, and I just have so many that have like built up that I'm like, yo, don't pay 30 bucks for razors. I'm just gonna give you a box. So if you guys end up needing razors ever, I got you. I got you. Next is Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Little Bites. These are so cute and tiny. Like, look how tiny this is. These are the cutest lipsticks ever. And Bite Beauty has one of my favorite formulas. Oof, look at these colors. Oh gosh, look at Nori. Are you kidding me? And here they are on the back so you guys can see the colors. They are going to be all over y'all's lips. You're going to love them. I promise. If you guys have never, I'm sorry, if you guys have never used these, like, where have you even been? This thing is, it's tiny, but it's kind of like a gag gift, but not really. Like, I have to throw something in there that'll make you smile. Hopefully all these make you smile, but this is the most amazing thing you will ever feel on your scalp in your entire life. These things are amazing, and you're welcome. I am giving you guys Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray because I really like the way that this just sets my makeup in. I do love my Morphe one, but that runs out so fast, the continuous setting mist. that this one has lasted me forever, so I feel like I want to give back to you guys. I think you guys will enjoy this. I do have Rodeo Drive by Ofra, so she is a beauty. She's going to be perfect for summer. Get you glowing like the goddess that you are. I have Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I have gotten about 3 or 4 of these in beauty boxes. So I also have these piling up, and I can't physically use them all, so I am also putting this in a giveaway, as well as this Clinique Quickliner for eyes in Ebony. And this is a black eyeliner, and I just have way too many black eyeliners, so I am giving that to you guys as well. You will also be getting a cute little Ipsy makeup bag. It is very roomy, and you will have a ton of goodies in here when you get this. And last but not least, like, I have a ton of foundation samples that I got from Sephora, and just so maybe you guys can create a full face with all this, and maybe find your holy grail foundation. This is for every skin tone, so anyone who wins this, you will be more than happy, I hope. So if you would like to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is let me know your favorite video of mine so I know what to keep making for you guys. That just means a lot to me, so I know what you guys enjoy watching from me, so I can keep putting that content out for you guys. So just let me know your favorite video, be subscribed to my channel, have them on public so I can see, and that's it. You are entered to win. It is super easy, you guys. But enough of that. Let's move on to the Blue Blood winners. I know you guys want to hear about this so bad. I lost my phone. I lost it. Where'd it go? Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, I did have 2 winners that I picked for Blue Blood palettes. One was on Instagram and one was here on YouTube. So my Instagram winner is... Okay, I'm hoping that I say her name correctly. The Instagram name. It's Beauty by Nailless. And her name is Natalia. So, Natalia, I really hope that you enjoy your new Blue Blood palette. I am so excited to send it to you. I will be sending this off tomorrow, so hopefully you get yours soon. And my YouTube winner, you guys, I went out of focus. And my YouTube winner, you guys, the random comment generator picked her bonus entry. Make sure when I do giveaway videos, you watch the entire video so you guys can get the bonus entry as well, because it picked her bonus entry and she watched my entire video and did her bonus entry, and that's what it picked. So you guys, watch my entire video for giveaway videos. There's bonus entries at the end, or somewhere in the middle, or maybe 3/4 of the way through, I don't know. So it picked her little blue heart for her bonus entry. My YouTube winner, I'm just going to say her Instagram name because we've been talking on Instagram, is Mirage7124. And her name is Mirage. I am hoping I'm saying that correctly. So girl, yes, are you serious? Congratulations, I'm so excited. So girl, I will also be sending out your palette tomorrow. So I'm so excited for you both to get your palettes and enjoy them. And I am so excited for one lucky winner to get my very last palette. Okay, if you have made it to the end, here is your bonus entry. If you guys want a bonus entry, go ahead and reply back to your first comment and say, how did you end up finding my channel? Like, how did you come across it? Was it from Instagram? Was it from YouTube? Was it from another YouTuber? Was it from a recommended video? Were you just searching for something specific and you came across it? So let me know how you came across my video. That also lets me know how I'm being marketed out there, so I know exactly what to do. And that is all I have for this video, you guys. I'm so excited. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!